Alright, you're welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of a particular platform called Writesonic. Writesonic is an AI copywriter and, like others, allows you to write both short and long form copies. It generates unique and engaging marketing content for any business in seconds. With a few lines of text, Writesonic will generate ads, blog posts, landing pages, product descriptions, and more. Writesonic can assist in writing website copies, blog posts, digital ads such as Facebook, Google, and LinkedIn ads. You can also use the article or blog copy template to create long-form blog posts and articles and generate blog ideas, intro and outlines, and they have a built-in content rephraser and expander. There's a lot of different templates and features included in Writesonic, so let's go ahead and take a look into this platform and see what this platform has to offer compared to other popular AI copywriting tools which are in the market. By the end of this video, I'll be giving my personal opinion on this AI copywriter and letting you know whether or not it's worth going out and getting a plan. And there's different pricing plans available for Writesonic, but you can go ahead and get started with a free trial. I'll leave a link for the free trial in the video description below, and I recommend that you go out and try it for yourself to get a real feel of what the AI copywriter can do, especially if you have been sulking at writing content on your blog posts and websites. If you like videos like this, consider subscribing to this channel, like this video, and turn on post notifications to be notified whenever a new video is dropped. Alright, so there are three pricing plans available in Writesonic, which are the free plan, which costs $0. This free plan comes with 50 AI templates, over 25 languages, the language generator, the Sonic editor, and a host of other amazing features. Apart from the free trial, there's a short and the long plans, which are $15 and $19 per month when they are billed on a monthly basis, and then $10 and $13 per month when they are billed on a yearly basis. And these two plans, they give up to 120,000 and 190,000 words respectively. On another note, the prices quoted are fair compared to other AI copywriters which are available in the market. Now, to get started, all you just have to do is to go to the Get Started button. So once you go to the Get Started button, all you have to do is to sign up using your Google account, or alternatively you could use your Microsoft account. But you could sign up by supplying your email address and choosing an account password also by typing an email address, and then you choose your password and then you sign in. I have an account already, so I'll definitely be signing in with my own Google account. So you could either use any of these three options by signing in using your Google account, your Microsoft account, or supply an email address and then a password to sign up. So I'll be signing in using my Google account. Alright, so I'm in the back end of the dashboard of my Writesonic account, and once you get the Writesonic free plan, this is what your dashboard will look like. There are different templates which are represented by these buttons at the top of the page. There are different templates which you can choose from depending on the style and the content, the type of content which you want to create. So you have the articles and blog, you have the ads and marketing tools, you have the general writing, you have the e-commerce, you have the social media, you have the website copy. So you have a host of them, of the templates, and then you now have options under each of the templates. So we'll be exploring some of them. For instance, if you're creating an article and a blog, you come to these articles and blogs, then you choose the AI article writer 3.0 in order to create or generate an article. Now it says this article writer, AI article writer 3.0, it says it can be used to create unique original full-length articles which are both engaging and definitely coherent. We also have the Sonic editor GPT-3. Now this one is just like a modified Google Doc, which you can, like an editor which you can be used to edit your documents. You can use it to edit your document and also write the best quality long form content of any. If you want to edit and do some form of modifications to your generated document, so you can use the Sonic editor GPT-3. So under the articles and blogs, we have the content rephraser also, which can be used to rephrase your content so it appears appealing to your audience. You have the paragraph writer, and then you have the conclusion writer, all under the articles and then the blog section. Those are under the articles and then the blog section. If we go to the general writing section, this has options for creating engaging and persuasive stories, as well as solutions to convert passive voices when you want to convert passive voice to active voice. So you'll be sure to come under this general writing template, so to be able to do that. You also have bullet point answers. You can create engaging stories. You can create pros and cons under this general writing tab. Also, we'll go to the e-commerce template. Here you'll be able to write product descriptions which are tailored towards SEMrush. You can also write Amazon sponsored brand ads headline, so you can write a whole lot of these things depending on what you're writing. So that is what will influence you in order to choose your template. So under there's another option that we have here. If we come to these orders, so you have what we call the pain agitate solutions, and this pain agitate solution is the main option, is the main formula for writing high converting sales copy. You can use it to write this, your sales copy basically. And then you have the AIDA framework, which is the framework for generating your sales copy using the attention, interest, desire, and action format, which is a format that has been proven to convert very, very well. Now in Writesonic, it is very important to note that articles can be composed in 4 different qualities, 4 different word qualities. So you have the premium word quality, then you have the good quality, you have the average quality, and then you have the economy quality. I'll come again. You have the premium, you have the good, you have the average, and then you have what we call the economy. Now premium is 2.5 times better than good, premium is 5 times better than average, and then premium is 10 times better than economy. And this will imply in the word count. Now here you can change the word quality anytime. Here I'm on premium word quality, and then I have 2,333 words. By the time I change the word quality from premium, let me say I come back to economy, so my word count is going to increase to 23,330. That's why I said premium is 10 times better than economy. So it will reflect in the amount of word count which you have. Your word balance is shown in terms of the selected quality. So the type of quality that you choose will influence your word balance, and you can choose the number of outputs that you also need. You can compare the features. We have all the features of the free trial, the short form, and then the long form here. Now talking about reviews, if we go to Trustpilot review about Writesonic, it shows that Writesonic is rated at 4.9 stars. It has excellent review of about 89%, which shows how authentic and genuine the platform is. Looking at people's review, you'll see that there are a lot of good reviews, 5-star review about the platform, which further attests to the fact that it is a very, very good platform. Right now I'm going to get started with the most popular template on Writesonic, which is this article and blogs template, and use the AI article writer 3.0. so if I come to this article and blog template, so you will see the article and AI article writer 3.0. Just like we said this is the option used to create blog posts quickly. So you can go ahead and then we'll choose the article writer, AI article writer 3.0. so it opens up this interface, and from this interface it shows that there are 4 steps involved in generating a content using the AI article writer 3.0. Now in the first step, which is step 1, it says this is the step where we'll come up with what we'll call the ideas. Now here we'll input a topic. We're going to input a topic for the blog post and enter the topic in this space which is provided. So we'll choose a random topic like how to train dogs. So once you choose a random topic like that, you choose your language as English. So we choose our quality. So here we have the premium quality, and just like we have described initially, if we want less words but higher quality, then we can choose a premium. But if we want lesser quality but more words, then we can choose economy for this purpose. So I'll go with the economy, and then I'll click on generate ideas. So the AI is going to take that topic and then generate different title suggestion for our article. So it has generated 3 output suggestion in titles for this. At this point, it's just a matter of preference as to what we are going to be writing about. If any of this generated topic is perfect, we can now go ahead and use that specific title. But if we want some more titles, we can now go ahead. Here it changes to regenerate ideas, so we can click this regenerate ideas. For this purpose, I will use this title and click on the title itself. I will be using this first one. It says the ultimate guide to potty training your dogs. So I think I'm okay with this title, so I'm going to click on the title and it will now take me to the second step. So here in this second step, it has put my choosing title into this title bar, and from here my language is still on English, my word quality is still on intro, the number of output I want is still on 3. The number of output is still on 3. So I will say generate intro. I will click on generate intro, and this would allow me to generate some introductory paragraphs in my article. So here I have 3 introductory paragraphs. Now there is the option to edit. If we come to this button, we could edit, copy, or delete the intro generated. We could copy it. So I'm just going to choose one of them. I'm just going to choose one of them. Probably I'll choose this first one. So I'm satisfied with this first one. So I'll just go ahead and click on the choosing paragraph, and this will take me into step 3. So it's basically simple, and it's a continuum. It goes into a continuum. So it has chosen the title, it has chosen the article introduction. Even from here, from this window, I can still do some bit of editing. So from here, in step 3 now, the title and then the intro have been put in their respective bars. Then I can now go ahead to click generate outlines, which in my step 3. Now this will generate different outline samples, okay, just like we have now. I will from these 3 outlines that have been generated, I will choose one of them. I will look at them. I might do some modification. I can still edit, I can still copy, I can still delete anyone which I do not want from them. Anyone that I'm now comfortable with, then I'll click on it. It will now. So I'm now on the 4th step, and in this step, in step 4 now, I can now check the title. I can still recheck the title. I can check the intro and the outlines at this point. I can check them at this point. So once I'm okay, I can do some bit of addition. I can add outlines here, and I can remove outlines from this side. I can decide to remove any one of them. So my language is still on English, my quality is on economy. So this step, 4th step, is where I am going to now generate my draft article. So once you click on write article, so it's going to start generating my article. So generating the article may take some time depending on your internet speed and then the connectivity, but definitely in a few seconds we are going to have our article. Okay, just like I have said, in a few seconds. Now we'll look at the generated article. We can now proofread the generated article, and then we can do further editing. At this point, we can use the Sonic editor. It says we can edit this article with our Google Doc like the Sonic editor. So if we want to edit it with the Sonic editor, we can just click here and then it will edit it with the Sonic editor. We can look at it here. We can proofread everything that has been written. We can proofread it here. We can look at it. It has even given us a stock image. Platform is so amazing. It gives us the image source as on Splash, so we can do our own editing. I'm very impressed by the quality of content that we are able to get from Writesonic. Now we can download this article from here, or we can connect it directly to our WordPress site, or publish it. We can publish directly to our WordPress site, or we can take it to wordpress.com where we can publish it on our WordPress website once we are okay with it. So once you're okay with the generated article, what you just do is you come to this section and then you can click on download. Once you click on download, it will generate a Word document, a text document of the generated download, and you can save it on your laptop. Overall, I'm very much impressed by the quality of the article which we are able to generate using this platform called Writesonic. I will highly recommend that you go out and give it a try. A link in the free trial is available in the description of this video. Be sure to sign up, as you'll be given up to like 30,000 to 45,000 economy word counts in order to try it out, and this word count is sure enough able to write over 10 blog posts. I hope you enjoyed this video and the tutorial was very much useful for you. Don't forget to please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you have not. I'll see you in the next video.